Guess what I have? I have the Curated Bead Box for the month of August, and I can't wait to open it. If you're interested, keep watching. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Luisa. I'm so glad you could join me today. I cannot wait to open the Curated Bead Box for the month of August. I'm super excited because I love that box. If you're not familiar with the Curated Bead Box subscription, I'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out. Basically, the Curated Bead Box is a monthly subscription box and it includes beads, charms, pendants. All of the items are specially selected and they usually come in a combination of colors and themes. Usually there are enough materials to make bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and anything you want. The box sells for $20 a month and that includes shipping in the USA. And one of the nice things about this box is the starter findings kit, which usually comes in either gold or silver, and it includes crimp beads, elastic, beading wire, memory wire, head pins, jump rings, ear wires, and clasps. So basically there's no need to go out and buy anything extra because it all comes in the box, of course minus the tools. And if you don't want to sign up for the subscription, you can always just buy one individual box. I know they sell previous boxes on their website. And like I said, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below along with a coupon code for 35% off your first box. The coupon code is Luisa35. Okay everybody, I'm anxious to open up this box, so let's go ahead, turn the camera around and we'll get started. Before we start, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be offering you lots and lots of videos, unboxings, tutorials, and by subscribing it'll help my channel and it'll help me to create more videos for you. Well, here's the box. As you can see, all the items are listed right here on the front of the box and you get a little preview of what's inside the box, and already I am loving the colors. And the name of the box is Sizzling Summer. All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Oh my gosh, look at these gorgeous colors, guys. Look how beautiful and summery these colors are. Let me go ahead and remove these items from the box and we'll go through each one. Wow. Look at these beautiful summery colors. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty and the beads are so gorgeous, guys. And here's the findings starter kit. And it looks like we have some tubes. All right, let me go ahead and arrange everything. So these are the larger beads. These are 12 millimeters in size, and I thought I would start with these first. The first one on the list is this 12 millimeter red silver leaf style glass bead. It's an 8-inch strand, and look at this, guys. Isn't that beautiful? And you can also see like a reddish color throughout the bead. And here's a view of the holes. Pretty big holes, so you can definitely put these on leather cord. And of course the base color is white, as you can see. I love these, they're so beautiful and so unique. And then the next strand is this cherry quartz duo style glass bead, and these are 12 millimeters in size as well, and it's an 8-inch strand. And I think it's called duo because there are two tones in there. I'm not sure, but I think that's why they're called quartz duo style. I don't know if you guys can see that on film, but you can see different variations of this beautiful cherry pink color. Very pretty. And there are the holes, as you can see. Here we have some 12 millimeter peach druzy style with line bead. So I guess that's what they mean by with line. There's line right here through the center of the bead. It's a kind of a metallic finish with a little bit of AB on there. These are very beautiful. I love these beads. And you get a total of 15 beads. Look how pretty these are, guys. And this is a very beautiful peachy color with hints of pink. I would say there's a little bit of pink in there as well. Sometimes it's easier to view them when they're threaded on something. So here I put them on a rod to give you a better look. Now they're not all uniform. Each one is a little bit different, which is fine. I like that. I like variations. I don't necessarily like beads to look identical. Very pretty. And here we have the 10mm size beads, and boy, these are so beautiful. This first one is so different. Oh my gosh. This is the hot pink / red spot marble style glass bead, and it's an 8-inch strand. And look at these colors, and look at that hot pink. Oh my gosh, you almost need sunglasses to look at it. It's so beautiful. But as you can see, as the name implies, it looks like there are little spots on the beads. Definitely very interesting. I've never seen beads like this before. And I like it that they're not all hot pink. So you have red and you have some pink on each one of the beads. As you can see, if I spin them around, you can see how they're half and half basically. Very cool. And this next one is a Carnelian duo style glass bead. And it's another 8-inch strand. And it's a very beautiful shade of peach, just like the other ones that I showed you in the 12mm size, the druzy style beads. But these are Carnelian, and they've named it duo style, which I'm pretty sure that means that there's either another tone or another color inside the bead. But I should contact them and find out exactly what they mean by duo style. But that's what I'm guessing. Aren't these pretty, guys? Look how beautiful these are. So beautiful. And this next one is the deep orange gold leaf style glass bead. Another 8-inch strand. Very similar to the 12mm size that I showed you with a silver foil. Or the silver leaf, I should say. They're very, very similar. Let me pull them out and compare the two. So this red is more of a kind of a cool tone red, a bluish red, and this is more of an orangey red. It's a warmer tone. But they would look really nice together nevertheless. So pretty. And here's a 7-inch strand of pink faceted glass beads. Very, very shiny, very glossy, as you can see, and very sparkly. I love these. I love the color. And here are some more beads. This is an 8mm size, and this is a 6mm size. And oh my gosh, look at this beautiful color. The name of this strand is Bronze Rustic Glass Pearl Bead. But if you'll see, each one has some texture. And I'm seeing a lot of gold in this bead, even though it's named bronze. It's like an orangey color with a little bit of gold glaze over the top of them. They're so beautiful. These are going to look so gorgeous out in the sunshine. Look how beautiful these are, guys. Oh gosh. I'm in love with this color. And you get quite a few beads. This is a 16-inch strand. That's a lot of beads. And here we have some 6mm orange faceted round glass beads. It's a 12-inch strand. Very summery. I love pairing orange with pink. Doesn't that look gorgeous? So beautiful. And they actually look absolutely gorgeous with the Carnelian 10mm beads. Don't they? Very pretty. And here's a bag of gold brass curved tube beads. There's approximately 30 tubes in here, and each one is 25 by 2.5mm in dimension. So here they are. I love using these, and I'm already getting some ideas. So you'll have to come back and watch a tutorial because I have an idea in mind. These are so cool. I love using these. These look great in bracelets. They look great in necklaces. And if you've never used them before, you're missing out. But anyway, they're a pretty shade of gold, as you can see. And they go very well with the theme of the box. And here's a bag of gold filigree bead caps, and there's approximately 50 bead caps in this bag. Each one is 10 millimeters in size, which is the perfect size for the beads that they gave us. Look how beautiful these are, guys. Look at that. So pretty. I love these, and I love the color. And 50 bead caps is quite a lot. So if you figure you're going to put 2 on each bead, you have enough bead caps here for at least 25 beads. Sometimes I use them just on one side of the bead. It depends on the design. So anyway, stay tuned because I'm going to be using these bead caps in the tutorial that I'm going to be making pretty soon. And for those of you who are brand new to the jewelry making industry, this is a really great thing to have. It's a findings starter kit, okay? So if you're just starting out, this kit contains pretty much everything that you need to get started, okay? So along with the bead caps and the beads, you've got it made, guys, okay? So let me show you what's in this kit. We have some crimp tubes, as you can see, in a gold tone. We have some lobster claw clasps, a very nice size, in a gold tone as well. We have some 6 millimeter jump rings, and these look like a decent thickness as well. Okay, you want nice, strong jump rings in your designs. We have some ear wire hooks, and these are the very beautiful kind that has the little gold bead on them. These are so dressy. These are much better than just your regular fish hook ear wires that you see out there, because they're a little bit fancier, okay? They have the little bead on them, so that makes them really nice. We have some head pins in a gold tone, okay? We have some beading wire in a gold tone as well. Let me pull it out so you can see. Okay, so that's a really nice thing to include in the kit. We have some stretch cord, and this stretch cord is pretty thick, as you can see. You need thick stretch cord when you're using it with large beads, so it's pretty heavy duty. And we have some memory wire in a gold tone as well. So that's a nice thing to have in your kit as well. I was going through the packaging and I noticed these 2 bags. So they included 2 of these organza bags. Isn't that nice? Oh my gosh, that's so sweet of them. So you can store your beads, and look, they're even color coded. One is for the pink beads and one is for the red beads. So isn't that nice, guys? You get 2 bags to store your beads and your findings and everything. That's such a nice thing. Okay, everybody, that's the whole collection. Isn't that beautiful? I just love these colors. They're so bright and cheerful and summery and delicious. They're just gorgeous colors. I love them. I'm definitely going to be having some fun with these beads, and I'm definitely going to make a tutorial for you guys. So please come back and check my channel. Look for that video. If you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you will get notifications whenever I release a video. So please do that if you haven't done it. I would really appreciate it. I'm going to go ahead and put this away and come back and say goodbye. Okay everyone, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. I sure did. I love the beads. I can't wait to play with them. I know I'm going to come up with something, and I'm definitely going to make a tutorial using those beads, so please stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.